to Nismo here. Right off the bat, this is my viewing pleasure of what rolled in right as I parked. Look at these two. These aren't perfect examples of what an R34 GTR is supposed to look like. Got one that's being offloaded. I'm gonna walk over there in just a second. V-spec, just absolutely gorgeous. Let's go take a look at him offloading this R34 over here. How's that for the way to be greeted? We're gonna head inside. I'm gonna take a couple more pics and then I'll head inside and show you guys the rest. So we'll make a quick walkthrough. The impressive parts is what they're working on in the garage. Not to take away from their race cars and the S-tuned R34 over here, but we're gonna take a peek inside the garage and see what they're working on. Alright, let's see how we do with this reflection. R34, 32 with plastic wrap on the tires. That's awesome. Got a 400R, 33 up on the lift. Looking like perfection. Got a 35 on the back lift. Something fully ripped apart down there. 32 from the size. You can correct me if you know better. We got a 33 in the background. The 32. Looking OE back out there. Stock wheels and everything else. So that's it, but completely worth the drive. If you feel like donating a kidney or something, they have a ton of good parts on display that you can purchase. 4.8 million yen. Or you can just come in and buy a keychain, you know. Unless, of course, you are that baller status, and then PBSs are awesome. It's hard to take the BBS over the LMs though. LM GT4s. Strut tower bracing. Let's see what else we got. 35 back there in the background. Oh, so I stand corrected. The white car in the background that's being taken apart, many of you guys guessed, is actually an R34. I got to see the wing and see it from the back a little bit. But that's it, guys. That's what the Nismo Factory here is all about. Get a handful of cars. What they're working on in the garage space is by far worth the trip out here. So again, if you guys are driving, if you're in Yokohama, please stop by. It's definitely worth it. Alright, so before we leave, we'll do a parking lot check one more time. Beautiful M-Spec Norris here. Oh, this thing is gorgeous. I love the color. And then had a yellow one, R34 rolled up. It's that 32 we were waiting on. Oh, it's by far my favorite. I think out of all of them, I like the 32 the best. Yeah, so what you guys think? I mean, does it get any better? I'll hang out for a few more minutes. If nobody else shows up, I'm gonna be done. But what you guys think? Leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, hope you all enjoyed.